Hello children, today let us learn poster making. It is a minor discourse and it's asked for 5 marks. A poster is nothing but a pamphlet wherein we give some advertisement or we give information regarding an event. Here is a pattern to be followed. In a poster, write the name of the issuing authority or the academy or the main theme in big block letters as a heading. Try to write in capital letters, that is ordinary capital letters. Do not use cursive capital letters. It may create some confusion or ambiguity. So try to write in ordinary capital letters. Then give the details of the event, that is what the event is and when it is going to be conducted and where it is going to be conducted in the first line. Then write the chief guest name, if any, if at all you want to felicitate or whatever the event is, according to that suitably you need to write the chief guest if required. And then write the salient features or the special programs or the main attractions of the day during that event that you can write in 4 to 5 points. And draw a picture relevant to the context. And look children, the picture can be something materialistic, right? Try to draw some things. Do not go for human pictures because generally we'll end up doing something else and there is a lot of wastage of time in giving a perfect shape to the face or whatever expression we want to exhibit there. So try going for things which are relevant to the context so that it will be easier as well as suitable to the poster making. On to the question here. Your school is organizing a workshop on scarcity of water, causes and solutions in the coming week. Prepare a poster with complete information for students of 8th to 10th class. Include the following: benefits of attending the workshop, date and day, venue, speaker, last date of registration. Now look children, when it is given as the next week, so take any date in the coming week, in the forthcoming week, and we need to make the poster. Here is the poster this way. The main theme is water conservation. So I have given the heading in big block letters as water conservation. And below that I have taken a quote, save water, save life. This is to support my main theme, that is water conservation. And on the left hand top corner, registration fee 25 rupees I have written. This is to tell that the entry fee is 25 rupees. And then in the first paragraph, I'm giving the information what the event is, when the event is and where it is going to be conducted. So since this water conservation is in the very school campus of the students, so we write it this way: a workshop on scarcity of water, causes and solutions, to be held on 26th August 2020 in our school campus. Suppose if the poster is being distributed to other schools, so you can mention the school, the name of the school, August 2020 in ZPHS High School, ZPHS School in Madinaguda. So if the poster is rotated to other schools, you need to mention the school. Otherwise the school campus, since it is common for all of us, we can just write it as school campus. Special attractions, that is participation certificates. Those who are participating are going to be awarded with the certificate. And then Mr. Prakash from the meteorological department to brief on the methods of rainwater harvesting. You can even add some more points like tips on conservation of water, inauguration of the rainwater harvesting pit. Now you can add some more points, 4 to 5 points there. And then last date to register 22nd August. Then the target audience, whom this program has been specially made for, whom is it really meant for. So we are writing to give a short notice, that is 8th to 10th students can participate. So it's not that they only must participate, it is a general idea that it is suitable for such age group of children. Hope you all understood how to make a poster. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.